The wafer-type concentric butterfly valve is designed and manufactured by JUHAN. It mainly consists of the valve body, stem, seat, disc, and operating mechanism. The valve body is made of ductile iron. The valve seat is available in EPDM, NBR, or PTFE. The valve disc is available in CF8, CF8M, or aluminum bronze. As a high-quality concentric butterfly valve, it features a replaceable seat design. The disc adopts a two-piece shaft design. This results in lower flow resistance. The valve shaft is equipped with 3 copper alloy bushings. The top flange and stem conform to ISO 5211 standards. Pneumatic or electric actuators can be directly mounted. The operating mechanism uses an aluminum alloy handle. The wide valve seat sealing surface eliminates the need for additional gaskets during pipeline flange installation. Precision machining results in lower operating torque. The product is mainly used in water supply and drainage systems, central air conditioning, and water treatment equipment.